Hello my friends, you are welcome in this English YouTube class. Today I am going to teach you the past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense meaning. What is the meaning of past indefinite? When we use the past indefinite tense, first we understand by the diagram. Suppose that this is the present, मान लो ये present है. Present means now at this time, the moment we are speaking, जिस क्षण हम बोल रहे हैं, this is the present. And before present, this is the past. Present से पहले ये क्या है? Past. And after it is the future. इसके बाद future. This is the present. And this one is the past. And this one is the future. Present, past and future. Present means now, and before, a minute ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, last year, last Sunday, these are in past. वो past में है. When we use the present indefinite tense, how we use the present indefinite tense? This is the present any action that happened in the past as an event. कोई भी कार्य जो पास्ट में घटना के रूप में हुआ, एज इवेंट घटना के रूप में पास्ट में कोई भी कार्य हुआ है, that is past indefinite tense. That action we will write as the second form of the verb. उस कार्य को वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. And in negative and interrogative sentence, we will write that action did plus first form of the verb. साधारण वाक्य में उस कार्य को घटना के रूप में कार्य है तो उसको सेकेंड फॉर्म में, और इंटरोगेटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में उस कार्य को did plus first form के रूप में लिखेंगे. Like there are examples. India got freedom in 1947. India got freedom. Got freedom में स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त की. In 1947, ये 1947 में. As an event, it is never repeated. इसके रिपीटेशन बाद कोई कार्य एक बार भूतकाल में घटना के रूप में हुआ है, उस कार्य को हम वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म, इंटरोगेटिव और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम डिड प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. बाबर फॉट द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. बाबर फॉट सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द फाइट. बाबर फॉट द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. He stayed in my room yesterday. कल वो मेरे कमरे में रुका था. He stayed, the second form of stay. My friend broke the glass. My friend broke the glass 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago, 2 मिनट पहले. My friend broke the glass. My friend broke the glass. Broke is the second form of break. मेरे फ्रेंड ने गिलास तोड़ दिया. He jumped into the pond. He jumped into the pond. वह तालाब में कूदा. Second form of the jump. There are event in past. Then we write that event. फिर उस event को, उस घटना को we will write as the second form of the verb. Here are some examples of past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. In past indefinite tense we use second form of the verb. In negative and interrogative sentence, we use did plus first form of the verb. He saw a snake last night. He saw a snake last night. He saw is the second form of see. A snake last night. Last night means in past भूतकाल में. Last night we saw a snake. Anything happened in past as an event, then we use the second form of the verb. Verb की second form. See is the first form. Second form of see is saw, and third form is seen. See, saw, seen. He saw a snake last night. Last night it means in past. Anything happened in past, we use the second form of the verb. He saw a snake last night. पिछली रात उसने सांप देखा. In past, anything happened as you will use the second form of the verb. Like this is the present and before it is the past. Last night, here is the last night. Here we saw a snake. It मीन्स बिफोर प्रेजेंट हैपेंड एज ए इवेंट, सी का कार्य घटना के रूप में, इसलिए सी को सेकंड फॉर्म में लिखा जाएगा यहाँ पे। हियर वी कांट यूज एनी अदर फॉर्म, हम यहाँ दूसरी फॉर्म यूज नहीं कर सकते। वी कांट राइट हियर ही सी, he is she, no, because the action happened last night as a event, कार्य last night को घटना के रूप में हुआ है। So only we can use the verb in second form. I saw this coaching class. I joined this coaching class 2 months ago. I joined. Join is the second form of join. Joined है वो join की second form है। I joined this coaching class 2 months ago. 2 months ago means action happened in the past. 2 months ago means action happened in the past. 2 months ago here. Anything happened in past as an event. 2 months ago happened the action of joining. 2 महीने पहले joining कार्य हुआ है। So we use joined. I joined this coaching institute 2 months ago. I selected in this exam last year. He was arrived here 2 months ago. Anything happened in the past as an event. We use that verb in second form. Next, my brother broke the glass yesterday. My brother broke is the second form of break. Broke है वो break की second form है। My brother broke the glass yesterday. Action happened in yesterday. Yesterday means in past. Here, the action of breaking happened yesterday. Yesterday means कल, past. It happened in past. The action of breaking कार्य पहले हुआ. So we write here second form of the break की second form लेंगे। My brother broke the glass yesterday. मेरे भाई ने कल ग्लास तोड़ा। So we write broke. My brother broke the glass yesterday. Broke is the second form of the verb. First form is break. Second form of the verb broke, and third form of break is broke. Break, broke, broken. So we use second form. We can't use here any other form. हम दूसरी वर्ब यूज नहीं करते। We can't use my brother was breaking, my brother break, my brother is breaking. No, we can't use that form because the action happened as a event. कार्य घटना के रूप में हुआ है। So we use here second form of the verb. My brother broke the glass yesterday. Fourth sentence, she heard a noise in my room. She heard a noise in my room. She heard, उसने सुना। Heard is the second form of hear. Hear, second form is the heard. She heard, third form also heard. She heard, उसने सुना। It means it happened as an event in past. ये घटना के रूप में है। So we use here heard. She heard a noise in my room. She hears no. She is hearing no. We can't use here any other form because it happened as an event. If anything happened as an event, we will use that action in the second form of the verb. Here are some adverbs of past indefinite tense. These are the adverbs we use in past indefinite tense. Yesterday, बीता हुआ कल. Yesterday I went to school. Yesterday a car turned on. Yesterday a thief entered a house. Yesterday means बीता हुआ कल. Anything happened in past, in yesterday we use past indefinite tense. Last plus time is last week, last month, last year, last Sunday, last January. Last plus time, if there is anything happened in last time, last month, last week, last year, we use past indefinite tense. Ago, 2 months ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 years ago. Ago means बीता हुआ कल. 2 years ago we celebrated this festival. 2 weeks ago we arrived here. Ago means पहले, कोई कार्य पहले हुआ तो we use second form. In olden days India ruled by many kings in olden days. Many kings ruled in India in olden days. Many kings lived in India in olden days. प्राचीन काल में, भूतकाल में, olden days में, ancient time, in ancient time. Many civilizations swept over in ancient time. Many people lived here on this earth in ancient time. English people stabilized companies in past bhutkal. In history, once I visited Agra, once they went to forest, once I encouraged him. Anything happened once, एक बार. Then we use second form of the verb. If these adverbs come in a sentence, we use second form of the verb, past indefinite verb. And if we use the second form of the verb in a sentence, we can use only these adverbs to tell that action happened in past. भूतकाल में कार्य हुआ, ये बताने के लिए इन एडवर्ब्स का यूज किया जा सकता है. ये एडवर्ब्स यूज हुई है तो पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस की वर्ब यूज करनी है. सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब या फर्स्ट फॉर्म. देयर आर टू सेंटेंसेस. Two thieves entered a bank last month. This is the adverb of past indefinite. Last month, last year, last week, last day, last month. If anything happened in past, last month, last year, last week, we use second form of the verb, entered. Two thieves entered a bank last month. 2 महीने पहले बैंक में चोर इंटर हुए. A camp, they organized a camp last year. A car turned over last Sunday. Anything happened in past, we use second form of the verb. They organized a medical camp. Organized is second form of organized. Organized is organized. They organized a medical camp 2 days ago. 2 days ago, 2 months ago, 2 years ago, 2 weeks ago. Anything happened ago, पहले जो भी हुआ उसको हम second form में लिखेंगे. So if the adverb used of past indefinite tense, these adverbs, ये adverb यदि यूज कर दी गई है सेंटेंस में, then we can use only second form of the verb. Thank you.